Hi students, welcome to Evershine Coaching Center ESCC, which is started in the year 2007. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Shah Faisal S. My qualification is Diploma in Mechanical Engineering, BE in Mechanical Engineering and MTech in Machine Design. I am teaching since 13 plus years for the subject Maths and Science. Also, I am teaching for Diploma and Mechanical Engineering students for Maths and Designing subjects. I had worked for many schools as a subject teacher, teachers coordinator and as a guest faculty. Conducted many workshops to improve the subject skills, how to improve your marks and for result oriented programs, etc. Also, I have worked in MEG Bangalore to teach Indian Army of Diploma Wing for their competitive level exams for 3 years in Maths. Alhamdulillah, many students have cleared the subjects with very good marks. The students who has got the coaching in our institute for full year program has secured 100% result. Many students have secured 100 out of 100 marks as well above 90 plus marks in Maths, Science, Social and Kannada consecutive years. Currently, I am the Secretary and CEO of Evershine Educational and Charitable Trust and the founder of Evershine Coaching Center. Children, here you can see what is the reason we are different from others and why you need to choose us and what is the main mantra for success. And here you also can see the special features of our institute. We have got a very highly experienced and highly qualified staff. We used to cover the complete holistic syllabus through manual and smart learning classes. Our complete classes will be done in both the ways. Usually for science even we used to teach practically and theoretically so that the subject should be crystal clear. We conduct regular practice tests to ensure continuous revisions. And complete our teaching is based on shortcut and logics. That is the reason our institute is very famous because of this reason. As well, we have one more reason that our institute is very familiar for everyone because of the reason of updated and well researched study materials what we are going to provide. Usually the materials what we are providing every year, nearly 70 to 80% questions are coming from our study material. And we used to conduct the weekend test and monthly orientation classes also will be conducted for the updated revisions. Students who want to know about us still more, you can just go through our website evershinecoachinggroups.com. There you can get many materials and for your doubts you will be getting the different ways to make sure that your doubts should get cleared. You can even in our website still we are trying to update some textbooks. We provide you some links, maybe not only for your class 10th, even for other standards also. And even we used to conduct workshops in our institute, okay, and even some resource persons are going to come to take classes in between of the sessions. Before every exams we will be having the workshops so that the student should get the proper knowledge and creative learning. And also we used to provide the project work assistance. Here it's our complete premises is under CCTV surveillance with 24/7 Wi-Fi connection. And also the students who wants to follow us, you can follow us on YouTube, that is Evershine Coaching Groups, Instagram and even through Facebook. And if you want to know some important things, you can also go through our Telegram channel, that is www.t.me/evershinecoachinggroups.com. And here also you can see the special features of our institute. At present we have 2 branches in Bangalore, that is Stanley Road and Shivaji Nagar. We conduct classes from class 6 to 12 standard and even for different competitive level exams also. The classes will be for SSLC students, will be in the evening session and for PUC it will be in the morning session with the limited seats, and also we provide some certified courses like Abacus, Vedic Maths, Phonics, Calligraphy and Handwriting. The one who is in need, we the team of Evershine Coaching Center ESCC is there to make you to fulfill your dreams. Hope to see you soon. Wish you all the best of luck. Do well. Thank you. I hope you all have gained the knowledge in our institute. If you have liked our videos, the videos what we have uploaded in the YouTube, if you have liked the videos and if you have scored some marks with the materials what we have provided, please try to share this video to your other friends. Let they also get to know what is the strength and success of ESCC. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you once again for watching this video. Wish you all the best of luck. Bye.